Have you ever tried paper kebab before? If the answer is no, here is the recipe. I hope you like it. Ingredients: some shallot, half kilo lamb or beef chopped, boiled peas, potatoes chopped, zucchini and eggplant chopped, carrot chopped, oil, 1 glass of water, and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Add onions, and then add chopped lamb until almost done for about 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon tomato paste and mix it. Next, add potatoes, carrots, eggplants, zucchini, and mix it. Then add boiled peas. After that, add the salt, thyme, and red pepper. And leave it to cook all the ingredients about 10 or 15 minutes. Place the baking paper and put some kebab on paper. Then fold the paper like this. Yes, and I am folding the paper this side and the other side. Yes, like this. And put it in an oven tray and do the others like this. Heat the oven 180 centigrade degree. And put the paper kebabs in an oven and bake it about 20 or 25 minutes. It's up to you. Yes, it is ready. And let's look at it. And with the help of knife, we cut the pepper. And you can see how it looks. Yes, it looks very delicious. You can also do it and try it. Enjoy it. If you like the video, please subscribe.